Hey y'all, this is Carmen again with another VR. This one is for Crafting with Fury. She is asking for 2 ATC cards. One is for her to keep, and one is for her to send to someone else, and then that way you meet a new friend. So I cannot remember exactly what her deadline is, but I will be linking that her challenge into the description box below. So y'all be sure to check it out. Y'all still have plenty of time. I'm not running behind on this one. Yay. So this is what I decided to create. I've got her a card. And then the first one I created, I just put on a blank black cardstock, double-lined it. And then Mail with Everything Mormy had sent me some of the cutest stickers. And I fell in love with this little ghost. So I decided to go with that. So I put her with her little cute little pearls and the little haunted tree, and I added a little black spider with some iridescent in the background. It also says happy haunting. Hoping y'all can see that. And I've added black jewels there, 3 black jewels there, and 3 there. Then I took some of the silver glitter glue and just kind of embellished around the edges. So that was my first one. And this is my next one. Now, I got this inspiration. Shoot. I wish I could remember the name. If I can remember, I'll also leave her link. She made some really cute tags. So I decided to do an ATC card, and y'all remember when I had done the eyeball tutorial, I knew then what I wanted to do with it, and it was to make these mummies with the realistic eyes. So basically, I just ripped shreds of paper, put a piece of black cardstock, angled it for its mouth, and then I ripped all the papers and inked them with the Tim Holtz Distress ink. I think it was the linen, something linen. And then around the eyes, I actually just half hole punched on the side of it until I had it just the way I wanted it. Not exactly how I'd hoped it would turn out. And then I shaded in a little bit more for like the nose. But, and a little bit more around the eyebrows area. But I still think he turned out cute. So, I hope she likes him like I do. But anyway, so those are my 2 ATC cards. I'll probably put in either some Halloween goodies or something in there. But I'm going to kind of keep it flat mail. So, I hope she enjoys it. And I can't wait to see. That's one of my favorite things about her, is to see which one she decides to keep for herself. So, I'm kind of anxious to see which way she's going to go with that. But anyway, thank y'all so much, and as always, I wish you the best.